Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student channel and thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm going to show you a video on that shot coming up. Some of you may have seen this shot in one of my YouTube short videos. Now I've just ordered a set of balls that are used and very well used and very dirty. And I want to show you the difference between those balls and these. These are casino balls and they're super highly polished. It's going to be a huge difference in this shot. This is not what I want to talk about today, however. I'm going to show you another shot and I'm going to explain that. So let's get into it. Here's the shot I really want to cover today, and this one here is one that was also on a YouTube short video. I'm going to shoot it two different ways. The first way is the easier way, and it's with a low outside right spin, trying to get position on this 9. And that's the shot. I pretty much made it identical to what it was in the video. Shot number 2 is the one I really want to talk about. I had a couple people ask me about this, made some comments, and it's not an easy shot. I will tell you that right now. Would I shoot this in a game situation? Yeah, I really would. Especially on a 7-foot table. I seem to be able to shoot this with no problem. This is a little larger table, 8-footer, and it's a little more difficult as a result. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit some top inside, so this would be top right in this case, because we're pocketing this ball in that corner. Okay, now the thing I have to think about here, even though I'm using this low deflection Predator Z3 maple shaft, that's an 11.8 with a medium Kamui tip, even though I'm using that cue or this cue, it's going to be a little difficult. So what I think about when I shoot this shot is I'm going to aim more full at this ball. If I aim right at pocketing this, I'll squirt the cue ball this way, which overcuts, and the 4 will hit way over here. So I'm going to hit almost full on this 4 ball to make this shot. Looks like this. And that's how you do it. It's not a difficult shot if you understand your equipment. Now, a couple other factors enter in here that I want to really mention, and that is the speed of the shot. I had to go all the way around the table there, so I'm hitting it pretty firm, and that's going to squirt my cue ball even more. Okay, so gotta pay attention to that. Now the key to both of these shots that I just showed you is this. If you set these up, this is how I learn shots, or how I learn the English for the shot. If I put a ball out here, let's just put it on the spot, and I take and mark where a cue ball is going to go. I'll just use this marker right here. I can experiment by shooting that shot with different English. Now, can I even get on this 9 with that angle? I can, but I'm going to have to juice the cue ball differently. So let's see if I can do this. I'm going to try it first of all with just some top spin and just try to get the table speed right here. I actually put that in. I've cheated the pocket a little bit and got pretty good on this 9. But now let's go ahead and try it a different way. Let's see if we can go short side on that 9 ball. You see what I'm doing here? When I'm duplicating the shot, I can try different things. This is so important, you guys. It will really help you in your game, especially because I know a lot of you are struggling with how much English do I need to use? Well, I look at it this way. If you don't duplicate the shot and experiment from the same position, you're like chasing your tail around, trying to figure out what's going on. It's too complicated. This takes out the complication of learning these shots. Now, let's see if I can go short side on this. Now, I made it there, but I almost scratched. And that's the danger of this shot. I would have liked to have hit here and rolled into the line, but I made it. Okay, I got there. So I just wanted to cover this today, mainly just so that you can learn your equipment by duplicating shots and experimenting. You're going to find out right away if there's deflection that you have to account for, if there's spin you have to account for, all of the above, and you're not going to chase your tail around. So if you have any questions or comments on this, please leave in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.